So I'm gonna give you 3 major keys when it comes to wedding DJ sales. The first 2 are gonna be major questions you should be asking every couple. And the last thing, we're gonna bring it all together with something I'm telling you most DJs don't do that will literally change your game. And to help me, I'm gonna bring my colleague, Kevin, who crushes sales over at SC Event Group.
So when jumping into a meeting, the very first question I ask is, and I literally say this, you don't have to close your eyes, but can you picture your wedding right now for me and tell me what you see? That's gonna tell you a number of things. Starting up on the sales side, you're going to know the types of enhancements that they want. You're going to learn what's important to them. You're going to learn the guests that are coming, the number and the type of people, but also you're going to really figure out what's super important to them, whether it's hanging with family and meeting or just raging until midnight.
The second question I always ask is whether or not they're on the same page music-wise. Some couples like different stuff. They're completely different. Some couples listen to the same music together, and then there's people in between. And I try and dive into that. You know, I want to know what music they listen to together and they enjoy together, and then what music, if so, that they like on their own, that they listen to without their wives or without their husbands, because that tells you where to go and when to play things during the wedding. And basically, I'll make a Venn diagram. Remember those things? Okay, so the middle of the Venn diagram will be for both of them. Then you got the bride on one side, the groom on the other side. You know, it works. I keep that in my notes, and I use that at the final planning meeting when I'm planning out my game plan for the set. And the big tip,
the one final tip that we have for you, that number one is going to absolutely change the way you do sales, but also we know for a fact no one else is doing.
Fat nugget. Fat nugget.
It's the art of letting go.
And it's true, because listen, what we mean by that is you got to let them go. Don't ask for the sale at the meeting, at the first meeting. Tell them to think about it. Let them go, okay? Let them know, give them a time limit. Let them know, hey, listen, we'll hold your day for 7 days, but then just remind them it's a big decision. Every wedding's a Super Bowl. Go think about it, look at all the information I give you, and then come back to me with any questions. And that is the golden ticket, because number one, okay, you want them to make an educated decision. This is a very, very big decision, biggest party they'll ever throw in their life. So, you know, maybe you're not the right fit. Okay, you don't want them to get stuck with a DJ that's not the best DJ for them because they got sold to. But number two, if they come back after sleeping on it, okay, and they like you and they want to go with you, chances are that wedding's going to be a perfect fit, you know?
It's all about confidence when it comes to this sales stuff, and you will be confident if you are good at what you do and you have a lot of it to back it up, and also they feel that come through the screen.
Now, if you got any tips you want to share with the people, put them in the comments below. Shout out to Kevin Garrity for joining me on this video. Definitely check out his YouTube page. I'll put it in the description below. Great YouTube channel. And see you at the next one, people.